No. Away they go for band only. Fast to begin, Iris Julian. Rushing up by Darrell, it's Exceptional Angel. Iris Julian for band only. Exceptional Angel. Best of Biscuit. Spanish Lover racing in fifth alongside is Rayo. Excellent Lady and Mark This Bird is the early trailer. For band only by Hapolan, followed by Iris Julian in second. Racing in third is Exceptional Angel. Spanish Lover is racing in fourth by Sam Forlang. Then here comes Excellent Lady. Rayo also moving up by the rally's Best of Biscuit. And a long way back to Mark This Bird. Rounding the far turn, four band only. This time by Sam Tulangs. Idas Julian is running in second. And on the outside, Excellent Lady Spanish Lover as they race the final corner. Four band only, still leading by a length and a half. Idas Julian, then here comes Spanish Lover from the outside. Exceptional Angel. Four band only, Spanish Lover moves up to take the lead. And finally, is Spanish Lover. Second to A for band only, Idas Julian. Exceptional Angel, Excellent Lady, Rayo, Martisburg, and Best of Biscuit.